Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am your math teacher Anjali Dayya. Let's start our topic division. Mummy, Papa and Babita take 20 cherries each. They distribute their cherries in different plates. Write the number of cherries in each plate. Now, Babita, 4 cherries, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cherries, 3 cherries, 3 cherries and 4 cherries. Now, Papa, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cherries, 4 cherries, 4 cherries, 4 cherries and 3 cherries. And Mummy, 4 cherries, 4 cherries, 4 cherries, 4 cherries and 4 cherries. Who has distributed the same number of cherries in each plate? Mummy, 4 each. When we distribute or share something equally in groups, we call it division. And this is the sign of division. We write it as 20 divided by 4 is equals to 5. We read it as 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. The number which we divide is called dividend. So, 20 is the dividend. The number with which we divide is called divisor. So, 4 is divisor. The answer is called the quotient. So, 5 is quotient. Now, observe how the things are shared and write the division statement. A part. Total number of guavas is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And कितने ग्रुप्स में डिवाइडेड हैं? 5 ग्रुप्स में. And each group has 3 guavas. तो 15 divided by 3 that is equals to 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज divide the given fruits as directed and write the division statement. A part, 2 equal groups. 2 equal groups. So, total 8 apples हैं in 2 equal groups. That is, each group has 4 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 apples. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now, division as repeated subtraction. In division, we repeatedly subtract the same number from a given number to find the answer. Consider dividing 15 carrots among 5 rabbits. Let us see how many carrots each rabbit will get. Give 1 carrot to each rabbit at a time. Now, total how many carrots? We have 15 carrots. And how many rabbits? 5 rabbits. So, first time we give each rabbit 1 carrot. So, minus 5, 10 is left. Second time again we give 1 carrot to each rabbit. Again minus 5. Now, 5 carrots left. Third time again give 1 carrot to each rabbit. Now, 0. That means how many carrots each rabbit get? Each rabbit get 3 carrots. We have repeatedly subtract 5 from 15 3 times. So, each rabbit gets 3 carrots or 15 divided by 5 is equals to 3. Now, fill in the blanks and find the quotient. A part, 24 minus 6 is 18. 18 minus 6 is 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. How many times we subtract 6? 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. That means 24 divided by 6 is equals to 4. So students, by using the same method, rest of the questions you will try yourself. Now next is divide and find the quotient. A part, 35 divided by 7. 35 minus 7 is 28, again minus 7 is 21, again minus 7 is 14, again minus 7 is 7, again minus 7 is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 times we have to subtract. So 35 divided by 7 is equals to 5. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now next is division and multiplication. Multiplication is the opposition of division. Let us understand this with the help of 12 balls. We can form 3 groups of 4 balls with 12 balls. That is 3 times 4 balls is equals to 3 4s are 12 balls, or 12 balls divided into 3 groups. That is 12 divided by 3 is equals to 4. Now remember, we can use multiplication tables for division. Now fill in the boxes using the multiplication tables. A part, 9 multiplied by 4 is equals to 36. That is 36 is divided by 9 is equals to 4. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ डिवीजन. फर्स्ट, when we divide a number by 1, the quotient is the number itself. That is 4 is divided by 1 is 4, 7 is divided by 1 is 7. Next, when we divide a number by itself, the quotient is always 1. That is 6 divided by 6 is 1, 9 divided by 9 is equals to 1. Next, when we divide 0 by any number, the quotient is always 0. That is 0 divided by 2 is 0, 0 divided by 8 is 0. Next, we cannot divide any number by 0. It has no meaning. That is 5 divided by 0 is not possible. Now fill in the boxes. A part, 9 divided by 1. When we divide any number by 1, the answer is the number itself. That is 9. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज लॉन्ग डिवीजन. We can divide two numbers using long division method. We write the division sum like this. 27 is our dividend and 3 is our divisor. तो इस तरह से हम सिंबल बनाएंगे. We read it as 27 divided by 3. बड़े नंबर को छोटे नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं. Let's divide 27 by 3. Step 1. Write the dividend and divisor correctly. 27 is the dividend and 3 is the divisor. Now step 2. Check the multiplication table of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27. 3 9s are 27. Write 9 above the ones place of the dividend as shown alongside. Now step 3. Write the product of divisor and quotient. 3 9s are 27 is the product below the dividend and subtract it. 27 minus 27, 7 minus 7 0, 2 minus 2 is 0. You will get 0 as remainder. This is the remainder. So 27 divided by 3 is equals to 9. Now divide the given numbers. A part, 12 is divided by 3. Now table of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are, and the product is 12. Write 12 under 12. Subtract 2 minus 2 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. So quotient is 4. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. So बच्चों, I hope you understand the concept. Try it again yourself.